Hi everybody, I'm Amelia with the Ellenville Public Library Museum, and this is today's Craft With Me. So, happy picnic day everyone! You may be wondering, what are we going to make today? The answer is a DIY basket out of paper. So, first things first, you're going to need some paper. I have these nice long sheets of construction paper, but you can use any kind of paper. I would not recommend tissue paper. And first, you are going to need to cut them into strips that are equal length, all of them. Okay, so now that we have our pieces cut out, we are going to start weaving our basket. Okay, now that we have our base, we are going to get ready for the next step, which can be a little bit tricky. So we are going to need to be very careful. Okay, now for the next one, we are going to go to the next one over from the one where we started the first time. Okay, so now what I am going to do is go through and on the outside we're going to go down and through like that. So we'll do the outside first. Some of these seem a little stubborn, so I'm going to just use a pencil to get them up enough for me to get under them. Some of them are a little bit thick at the top, which is making it harder to get under there, so I'm just going to trim them a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to finish these inner ones up a little bit, and we have a cute little paper basket. Now, baskets take a little bit of time. Some things are really, really quick crafts, but baskets take a while. And I don't know about you, but I always make at least one little slip up while I'm doing this. Sometimes I forget which one goes where, and sometimes I have a hard time keeping track of which one is supposed to go on top or which one is supposed to go next when I switch sides, but I like the way this came out. It's not a professional basket by any means, but it is adorable, and I think I am going to use this to store buttons. because I could always use another way to store buttons in my house. So, thank you all for joining me today. I really enjoyed making this basket. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, be good to each other, and I'll see you next time. Bye!